Please tell everybody what we did.
Me?
Yeah.
We walked up a hill.
Yeah.
To get to the Capitol building. It's 95 degrees out. And
yeah, we walked down
dead.
That hill. This dumbass hill.
Oh my gosh.
Freaking idiot.
Goodness gracious, guys.
Oh, and now
Daniel, he promised us donuts. Where are the donuts?
I don't know, but we're at the Capitol. We walked up here and it's
Salt Lake City.
Salt Lake City, Utah.
Yeah.
There's my 201 at Delton Lanes with my boys cheering me on. And Jordan actually pulled a 179. There you go. These guys are here. A room with this. And a little tiny mini fridge area with some stuff. And a stove and a microwave over there.
This is a mini fridge to you?
No, I don't know. And then our bathroom. Pretty nice. Walk-in shower. And yeah, this is a new hotel. Pretty nice.